What's up? Back at the shop.
Just getting this one apart.
Getting ready to get
Look
pulled.
at these connections, dude. What is that?
Yikes, let's get a close up.
What is that?
Oof.
Like,
Those are
and look how weird
weatherproof.
these are. That's the headlight.
Ooh, that's some eBay spec.
Right?
Hey?
So, thank gosh those are off and out of here.
Yeah. Where's the new ones?
Oh, I'll show all the new parts.
Let's see.
I don't think you've seen the header either.
I haven't seen shit.
Okay, so those are the old.
Those are the old ones. Got them headers. Header.
Dude, look at the welds, man. They're actually quality. I didn't think DNA was like a good brand, or I haven't really heard about DNA much. The only stuff I heard was like, they're like, it's DNA, eBay shit, but it's actually well built. Oh, we got the red roses for shapeshifters.
This is shift boot, nice.
Yeah. And then these.
This is quite a big ass box for headlights.
Yeah.
Dang, they're pretty nice.
Yeah. They shouldn't be as ricey as the other ones.
Yeah.
They're a lot nicer.
Blacked out housing. Hell yeah.
They're the same brand as the ones I had on my Mazda for a bit,
Yeah.
but
No, they're pretty good. I've read Spec D.
yeah.
Yeah, I've had some of their lights before. I think that's what these tail lights are actually.
I want to know if this has enough room for the coolant, because I want to drain all the coolant and take out the radiator and the hoses, get that out of the way, and then I can work on the exhaust and take it off.
Well, might have enough room, might not. What's going on, Brash Garage? We are back at the shop again today. Just a quick little video. Gonna wash off the Veloster. Winter has come. Snow's on the ground. We're waiting for parts for the Civic. They're all stuck in the mail. I actually got some solid engine mounts coming and a couple other things. About to also order more parts, but I'm a little weary of ordering parts at this moment because pretty much every trail, every road to get parts to where we are is freaking almost closed off. Pretty well closed off right now. So
I think we have one highway open. That's it.
yeah, one highway right now. So ordering parts is kind of useless because you're going to spend a bunch of money and you're not going to see them for a couple months. But let's get the Veloster all washed off because salt's on the road now and that shit is gross, man. That shit is gross. This is what we do to the Veloster literally every single weekend in the winter. Try and get all the salt off it, keep it as good as possible. So wash your shit in the winter, boys, if it's salty where you are. It would look good, right? We're thinking about painting the CR Lies white. I think it'd look good. But we'll see, we'll see. I just like the 15s more than the 16s. The Rotas and the Nittos are awesome, but I kind of just want to get lower with some more camber and be able to just light up the tires, and the Nittos are just genuinely too sticky and too square sidewall. When you lower it, even with camber, since the sidewall is so square, the wheel is just going to sit up on it and it's just going to be all kind of wonky. So moderate stretch on those CR Lies, painted a different color, would buy some center caps. I think that'll be the move. But as you guys just saw, the Veloster is fully washed up. Just a rinse down, you know, no soap, no nothing, but we got all the dirt, all the debris, all the salt off it. The main focus of the wash was to get in the fender wells to eliminate all that salt that's going to be picked up from the road. It just drives me nuts. This may be the last winter in the Veloster, may not. I'm not too sure yet. It does awesome. It has really good Continental winter tires. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off the windows because when they get all like breath and vape and crap on them, they fog up real bad in the winter and sometimes ice over. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean those now, and that's about it for the Veloster winter weekly treatment. And yes, I do this every week, at least every 5 to 6 days this happens, but thank God I have a shop, so it's not too hard. It doesn't really cost me any money. So let's clean the windows, see what Eli's doing, it's cold as hell. I've recorded like 3 clips and now my camera's flashing dead. So, sorry for the short video, boys. Had to get something out for you though.
Up the curb so hard when I drifted this
You
thing.
jumped it?
Oh yeah.
Did it bend any like control arms?
No.
Good.
It looks like a OBD2 plug-in.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, where did it hit on the curve? You slid this thing and you hit a curve?
Oh yeah, okay. So there's a spot way out by my place and it's just this huge circle.
Yeah, I know what
It's
it
like
is.
a cul-de-sac with a circle in it.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, well I gotta try and donut this. So
Yeah.
I tried and it just pushes the front end because it wasn't sticking to the ground.
Yeah.
So it just kicked up and went right to pavement. So it just pushed me right into the curb.
Oh.
And I was just fucking boom. I was like, oh shit.
The
But-
poor S10. I've slid this thing a couple times already. She's wicked. OBD2 scanner though. I got one. Ooh.
What a bunch of bodaggets.